If you've ever stood in an ancient forest, you know the peace it brings. A stillness that feels like silence. But this silence is an illusion. The forest is alive with messages, a hidden language we're only now beginning to decode. Our ears miss most of it. Plants communicate in frequencies far above our hearing, in the realm of ultrasound. Imagine a symphony playing at a pitch too high for us to hear. That's the true soundscape of the forest. Every leaf and root is part of a grand, hidden conversation, exchanging information constantly. This discovery is revolutionary. Plants are not silent observers, but active participants in the world's soundscape. The rustle of leaves is just the beginning. Beneath the soil, an intricate dialogue unfolds. Rigorous science is revealing a reality we never knew existed. The woods are whispering their secrets. If plants can speak, they can tell us when they're thirsty, injured, or under attack. For centuries, we saw only their forms. Now, we're learning to listen. The quiet woods are whispering, and for the first time, we have the tools to hear them. The age of plant silence is over. A new conversation has begun. The journey began with tiny, imperceptible clicks. Scientists placed ultra-sensitive microphones near tomato and tobacco plants in a quiet lab. Healthy plants were nearly silent, but when deprived of water or cut, they erupted in ultrasonic pops and clicks. These sounds, far above human hearing, signaled distress, like a plant's cry for help. This was the first concrete evidence that plants don't suffer in silence. The pattern and frequency of these sounds varied with the type of stress and even the species. A thirsty plant sounded different from an injured one. A tomato's clicks were distinct from a tobacco's. In theory, you could diagnose a plant's problem just by listening. This discovery opened the field of plant bioacoustics. The green world, once thought silent, is full of urgent messages. Plants have voices, high-pitched, but full of meaning. The silent world of plants was revealed to be a place of distinct voices. We're only beginning to understand what they're saying. How do plants make sound without mouths or lungs? The answer lies deep inside their structure. Water travels up through the xylem, a network of microscopic pipes. When a plant is stressed, especially by drought, this system breaks down. Air bubbles form and collapse in the xylem, a process called cavitation. Each collapse releases an ultrasonic shock wave, the plant's internal plumbing breaking. These are the clicks scientists record. Injury, like a cut stem, triggers similar sounds. These aren't conscious cries, but honest signals of distress. The more stressed the plant, the more frequent the pops. These sounds are a direct physical manifestation of the plant's health. They're not just noise, they're vital information. Behind every discovery are curious minds. Professor Lilac Hadani and her team at Tel Aviv University led the way. Their experiments proved that stressed plants emit informative ultrasonic sounds, sparking a new field. Others built on this work. In 2024, Majinga's team used ultrasound sensors to detect maize disease days before symptoms appeared. Bonisoli's 2025 study took microphones outdoors, proving plant sounds could be detected in real-world conditions. The secret language of plants wasn't just a lab phenomenon. It was happening everywhere. In July 2025, Hadani and Professor Yossi Yovel asked, "Is anyone listening?" Their work revealed that the animal kingdom has been tuned in all along. These pioneers didn't just find a new phenomenon, they unveiled a new dimension of communication in nature. The web of life is richer and more connected than we ever imagined. The story of plant sound is just beginning. For communication to matter, there must be a receiver. Researchers turned to moths, which have sensitive, high-frequency hearing. Female moths need healthy plants for their eggs. Stressed plants are poor choices. In experiments, moths avoided stressed plants, even when the only difference was the playback of ultrasonic distress clicks. The moths weren't seeing or smelling the difference. They were hearing it. This was the first proof of acoustic communication between plant and animal. The plant's ultrasonic scream is not just a byproduct of stress, it's a functional ecological signal. For the moth, listening is survival. For us, it's a revelation. The world is full of hidden interactions shaped by sound. The dance of life has a soundtrack we're only now beginning to hear. Plants and animals are part of a complex sonic conversation. We're finally tuning in. Unlocking the plant language required new technology. Ultrasonic microphones and sensors, tuned to 40-80 kHz, detect plant distress signals from a distance. Sonic tomography uses rings of sensors to map a tree's internal health, revealing decay or cavities without harm. In-tree sensors like IoTree listen for the ultrasonic chewing of pests, alerting managers before visible damage appears. The challenge is scaling this tech for real farms and forests, filtering out background noise. Networks of robust, weatherproof sensors are being developed for real-time ecosystem monitoring. We're building a planetary hearing aid, listening to the health of crops and forests at scale. This technology is transforming how we care for the green world. The forest's secret language is now within reach. Science is giving us new ears. The future of listening is here. Recording plant clicks is one thing. Understanding them is another. A single plant can produce thousands of sounds daily. A field, millions. AI is the key to decoding this data. Machine learning algorithms are trained to distinguish plant sounds from background noise and to identify stress types and species. In studies, AI could tell a thirsty tomato from a cut tobacco plant with high accuracy. Imagine AI listening to a field, detecting disease before any visible sign appears. This is already happening. Deep learning models have reached over 99% accuracy in early disease detection. AI acts as a tireless watchman, alerting us to trouble before it spreads. As the library of plant sounds grows, AI will become even more fluent. It will help us build a dictionary of plant language, turning noise into knowledge. The partnership of AI and bioacoustics is revolutionizing agriculture and ecology. We're not just listening, we're understanding. The real impact of plant bioacoustics is in the field. Farmers can now use sensors to water only thirsty crops, saving water and boosting yields. Early detection of disease and pests means targeted, gentle interventions, less chemical use, healthier plants. Companies are commercializing these systems, giving farmers ears in their fields. Arborists use sonic tomography to save ancient trees, making informed decisions about care. In-tree sensors help prevent catastrophic forest losses by catching pests early. Listening to plants fosters a more sustainable relationship with nature. We move from crisis management to proactive care. This technology is about collaboration, not control. Science is extending a helping hand to agriculture and forestry. The green world is speaking, and we're finally listening. We stand at the dawn of a new era. The plant world's silence has been broken. The discovery of plant sound is an invitation to listen to our planet in a new way. We've only translated the first words. The conversation is just beginning. Who else is listening? Insects, mammals, maybe even other plants. As technology and AI improve, we'll uncover more layers of this hidden dialogue. Each discovery deepens our connection to the web of life. The challenge is to use this knowledge wisely, to heal, not exploit. A single, inaudible click has opened a universe of sound. By learning to listen, we find our place in nature's great conversation. The world is full of wonders, if only we have the ears to hear.